Well, hello folks, welcome back to another unboxing on this channel. Something I've been wanting for such a long time, so can't wait to check it out. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what we got. Man, the seller did good at packaging this thing. Do I have scissors? I should. Yep, I have scissors right here. All right. Let's see. All right. I can already see it. And here it is. Oh, a little bit of dip on there, whatever, I can clean it off. But yeah, here it is. A Simplex 4903 9219. This thing is awesome. Yeah, this thing is sick. But yeah, here's the info there if you want to see that. But yeah, this thing's cool. Does it have the jumpers already in there? I'm not sure if it does. Alright, well, I guess without further ado, we'll go ahead and wire this thing up. So, yeah. Alright, got this thing wired up. This one has an electromechanical horn with the strobe, obviously, so we'll go ahead and see how it sounds. There it is. That thing is definitely loud, and honestly, I'm honestly shocked that the strobe was flashing that fast. And what is the Candela? What is the Candela on this? 15 Candela. Yep, that's what I expect. Oh, negative slipped out. Yeah, did not tighten this thing well apparently, but it does work. So yeah, that is awesome. Just take that out. But yeah, this is a horn strobe, obviously. And yeah, definitely very awesome. Definitely very, very nostalgic. And you can actually still see plenty of 4903 devices to this day. They do make a lot of different versions, like electronic horn versions and speaker strobe versions. As well as they do have options for horn only or strobe only. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, definitely super happy to have this thing now. And yeah, very, very cool unit to have. So yeah, that was gonna do it. Thank you for watching this quick video, and we'll see you in the next one.